Okay, so I'm taking a little taro break. Probably not, but just for this video. I'm going to do a taste test of some pastries I got. Let's see how good they are. So, ow, my lip. So, this is what they look like. So yeah, we're gonna just see. So the first one should be my favorite. This is a raspberry filled one. Oh, that's good. Okay. Okay. Okay, well, let's see. Okay. This one is supposed to be a apple Danish? Apple fritter. Apple fritter. I don't get a lot of apple, but it's sweet. Like, you can see cinnamon in it, but I don't know if I really taste it. Oh, there's some apple, I think. That's not bad. It's not bad, but it's definitely sweet. Yeah, that one's okay. This one, oh crap. This one is a blueberry one. I was talking to a manager and he was like, he doesn't like blueberries, but I do. He says if you like blueberries, you'll like this, so. Crumbs everywhere. I love doing these videos. For me, it tastes like, I remember when Pop Tarts came up with the wild berry ones, like way back in the 90s. And then, but that's what that tastes like. It tastes like but like a little more, like it's more like it's more natural tasting, I guess. Like I don't know. It's probably, I don't know. But it doesn't taste like, it's trying to be berry. It tastes like sweetened blueberry. For me, at least. I also had a long day, so everything tastes, I'm fine. We got just regular, regular chocolate donut with sprinkles. This one, it's dense yet really kind of soft. It's okay. It's not bad. I think the favorite out of mine, I would say a raspberry probably. It's leaking. I would say probably the raspberry, and then honestly, I would say the order I went in. Raspberry, blueberry. I would say the order I ate them in would probably be like how I would rank them. Even though I just ate the blueberry one before the other one, but all right, yeah, that's what I got for this video. So cool.